Hello and welcome to the Can Do Dad. Today we're talking about lawnmowers. If your mower won't start, there's a pretty good chance you need to replace the spark plug. And I'll show you how to do that today. Let's head outside. To start, remove the boot and the cable from the spark plug. We'll use a socket wrench to loosen the spark plug. As a reminder, you'll want to turn counterclockwise or to the left. From there, you should be able to loosen the spark plug by hand. As you can see, we have quite a bit of buildup on the center and side electrode, which is not good. We've got a nice clean spark plug, and we will thread it in, leaving the terminal side exposed to reconnect to the boot and cable. As a reminder, you don't want to over-tighten. Once the plug is firmly in place, reconnect the boot and cable, and you are good to go. I hope your mower is up and running. If you found this content useful, I would certainly appreciate you liking the video and subscribing to our channel. And remember, if I can do it, I promise you can too. Until next time, my friends, have a blessed day.